If you're experiencing Cloud Save Error 2025 on your Steam Deck, this guide will help you troubleshoot and improve the situation. Follow these steps to resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with cloud saves. You can test your connection by browsing the web or streaming content. Step 2. Restart Steam on your device. Close the Steam application completely and restart it. Additionally, reboot your Steam Deck. This can clear temporary glitches and refresh the connection to the Steam servers. Step 3. Verify game files. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click on the affected game, and select Properties. Under the Local Files tab, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which may help with cloud save issues. Step 4. Check Cloud Save settings. In Steam, go to Settings, then Cloud. Ensure that the Enable Steam Cloud Synchronization for applications which support it option is checked. This setting must be enabled for cloud saves to work properly. Step 5. Contact Steam support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the error and the steps you've already taken to resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to improve the cloud save error on your Steam Deck. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek additional help from the community or support channels.